Good morning, everybody. This is Sarah, your socially awkward seller, and I'm back with another daily vlog. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, Etsy, and Facebook Marketplace. Some of those places a little more heavily than others. And I only had 2 sales yesterday, and actually one of them wasn't even yesterday. They had bought a couple of days ago. They finally paid yesterday. So let me show you those. And then I think probably what I'm going to do is go shopping. So I've got to pick up the last few things for Thanksgiving. I need to pick up a couple of Christmas items for the Christmas collaboration that Nesting Haven is having, and that will air on November the 30th. So since it is the 27th, I probably ought to pick a few things up, I'm thinking. And then I've got to make baklava this afternoon and come up with some kind of rant. I'm sure I'll come up with it.
For wearing a trench coat and holding a boombox over his head.
Let me show you the 2 things that are going out this morning. I bought this Java Perk on Columbus Day. I celebrated Columbus. I did not. But I went to that half-price sale on Columbus Day, so I know that's where I got this. I priced this at $39.99, which is I always price on the top end so that I can give a discount, run a sale. You know, so when I take the percentage for promoted listings and all of that, it usually gets me in the right range. That might not be a philosophy that works for you or for anybody, but that's the way I've always done it. So that's the way I like to do it. Anyway, I took a best offer of $22 for this yesterday. It is going to Canada. Oh, Canada. And it's less than I wanted, but I did not have a single sale yesterday until I got this offer in the evening. So I thought maybe if I go ahead and accept the offer, it'll show a little activity in my store and kick it back into gear. It didn't happen, but that's what I thought. So anyway, that's going to get wrapped up and go to Canada this morning. And then the other thing was this bag of cosmetics. I don't think I paid very much for this. But this is a Clinique. There's 3 lotions here, and then a little bottle of Clinique Happy. This has to go ground. I'm just reminding you for those folks that know and forgot, or the folks that don't know. Perfume has to go ground. So, yeah. I just thought I'd bring that up. I took a best offer of $15 on this. I don't think I paid. I think there was something else in this bag, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I took a best offer of 15 plus shipping. That will go ground. And those are the only 2 things I needed to ship out. It's going to be a long day today. I have a feeling. I will give you some insights into my baklava making a little later. I'm hoping to set up the cam so I can show you a little bit how to do that. And then the after effects, which are lovely. And then, yeah, I hope to be able to show you a whole video this afternoon, which will make Friday more about thrift or listing than thrifting or Black Friday shopping. If I shop for Black Friday, which I doubt I will, it will be done from the comfort of this gorgeous place. So, thanks for sticking with me. I will be back in a bit with a little more fun.
I'm thankful for MTV for bringing us more music than Don Cornelius, and I thought Dick Clark, I would just take a moment to tell you what I'm thankful for. I am thankful for the best husband in the world. I got lucky on that one. Only took 3 times. I am also thankful for my children. I am thankful for my 10 grandchildren. And health and wealth and all that crap. But what I'm most thankful for is nostalgia, because I live in the past. I'm wearing leg warmers right now. I remember when I was growing up, the Great War, remember? Coke versus Pepsi. Then they got crazy and did Pepsi Clear and New Coke. What were they thinking? I'm thankful for John Cusack for wearing a trench coat and holding a boombox over his head to show me how a man should court a girl. I'm also thankful for every John Hughes movie ever made. He brought me friends like Ferris Bueller and The Breakfast Club, and also my favorite relative, Uncle Buck. I'm thankful for MTV for bringing us more music than Don Cornelius, Dick Clark, or Ed Sullivan combined. I'm also thankful for memories like the little Jessica girl that fell down in the well and for 56 hours I couldn't take my eyes off CNN. I am also thankful for Trapper Keepers. They still make them. They're not nearly as good. I am thankful for the Walkman. Remember the Walkman? And mixtapes. How many mixtapes did you make trying to catch the song when it started? And probably could never do it. Never right. No. I'm also thankful for Capezio dance shoes and topsiders and jellies. What was with the foot fashion in the 80s? I loved banana clips. They were wonderful. Rocking a side pony. And also popped collars. I had a mullet, and I was thankful for that. I'm also thankful for the memories of the activism that went on in the 80s. You know, like Live Aid and Hands Across America and We Are the World. We did a lot of stuff like that. It was cheesy, but we did it. I'm thankful that my best friends were Teddy Ruxpin, Rainbow Bright, and My Little Pony. I saw Purple Pie Man on the shelf at the thrift store today, and it made me remember Strawberry Shortcake. Also thankful for her. I'm also thankful that Mr. Gorbachev tore down that wall. That was really important in the 80s. Well, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I thought I would just take a moment to tell you what I'm thankful for. So, as you can see, I'm very thankful for all the nostalgia. Nostalgia is important to me. I get nostalgic about nostalgia. I hope you're thankful for a few things too this Thanksgiving. And it's not just about being a new shopping day. Happy Thanksgiving to y'all. And I will see y'all when I come back on Friday.
All right, it's the end of the day. Supper is over. And I thought I would show you a couple things that I bought, but really it didn't do all that well at the thrift store today. But it works like that sometimes. I wish I just had enough stuff to last me until like Saturday as far as listing, but you know, we'll do what we can because I am not going anywhere on Black Friday to shop at thrift store. No, thank you. But I did pick up a couple things. This was half off. It was $1.50, and it's a Ralph Lauren pillow sham, and it's kind of got sort of an abstract northeast, southwest feeling about it. It's actually called Hawk Springs, and this is a king pillowcase, so it'll probably take this a while, but it should sell okay. I picked these up at the thrift store today. I got 2 of them, and I thought this might be a really good thing to either store smalls in, you know, just small items or paper items, or it could be good polybag storage. So I paid $3.99 for those. I got a bag here somewhere. Thought I had a bag here somewhere. Oh well. Maybe I don't. No, it's upstairs, and I don't think there's much in it for resale. Maybe a couple things. Not I'm not going to worry about it. I did pick up 2 of these Step 2 chairs. Paid $2.50 for them. These are folding chairs. They're really cute. I think I can get about 20 for both of these. 20, 25 for both of these. So get those put up on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you all for being with me today. And I hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. And if it's not wonderful, I hope you soldier through it. Sometimes it's not easy to put on your best face and be with family. But anyway, I hope it's pleasant for you. I will not be putting out a daily vlog tomorrow just because I have to cook all day and then go to another Thanksgiving. So I'm just not going to have time. And there's no mail tomorrow. So I will come back with another daily vlog on Friday. And we'll talk about what has sold. I doubt very much. And just kind of what's going on. And then until then, just remember that the dream works when you do. So keep dreaming and keep working. I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.